The Utah Avalanche Forecaster site is a go-to destination in the winter for backcountry skier. Each day, the Forecast Center publishes a report about current conditions and publishes it as a row seen right here. This project turns this rows into an interactive map. When the user first arrives on that page, he sees the danger overlaid on the entire Salt Lake Mountain range. If he's now interested for more specifics, he can filter these by an aspect, say north, or go to a specific elevation band, say below 8,000 feet. In addition to these two combinations, he can also go specifically to an individual aspect and elevation band by clicking on the rows. Each time when the selection is made, the opacity changes for that area to be more bright. Now that I know, for instance, I want to ski in this area, I can zoom into this map and get more details there. I can now also place a marker, say I want to ski this face right here, and get the conditions right there. Here we see we have between the 8,500 and 9,500 feet level, have considered forecast danger, and also face south at a slope angle of 6 degrees. This project used historic data to also enable a holistic view of the whole month. Every day is marked in the top left corner with the highest danger and the lowest danger in the bottom right. So this gives an overview of how the danger level developed over time. Once I want to reset my filter, I simply click outside the map. If I want to get more information on, say, the 18th of the month, I can now also go to the forecasting archive and see the current condition there, or forecast it. Last but not least, I can also get daily observation reports by backcountry skiers specific to that date as well.